good time of the day wherever you currently are. In case you didn't know that and you're new here, my name is Leo. So currently I am creating a platform which is called Cloudly. It's a cloud entertainment platform, or actually cloud created entertainment platform. So cloud created entertainment platform. So the code name is Cloudly and it is available on GitHub. So because I'm as good as not technical at all, so the platform was created on Lovable, or actually using Lovable, and it has its challenges. So basically, Lovable it might be good to create initial mockup, which would kind of work. So basically a prototype without a deep functionality, just outlaying the major functionality, how it should work. However, once you start dig deeper and want to make it really functional, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of money. So, and even then it doesn't really do as you want it to do. So the major problem with Lovable is it makes around 60 to 70% of what you tell it to do. So anything else is just interpretation or its own interpretation of what you want to do, and at times it's really good because it helps to find the functionality or location of the elements on the page, which you wouldn't think about on your own, or which I wouldn't think about on my own. As I said, I'm not that technical. Even though I speak fluently HTML and CSS, I'm not a software developer and coder. So basically I have my major difficulty there. So as I said, it might be good for creating mockups and surface level functionality, upper surface level functionality prototypes. And as I said, once you want to start to dig really deeper and create a real functionality, it runs into problems. Okay, just a short excursus to a couple of days ago. I was watching a video, the newest video on the channel, the discussion between 4 people on the YouTube channel Diary of the CEO, and one of the participants in this video was the founder of Replit. So, and it cost me to try out Replit as well. So basically yesterday, what I did yesterday, I created an account on Replit and just dropped there the description of the platform I'm currently developing, what I want it to have, how it is, and so forth and so on. And it took Replit about half an hour to create a bare functionality of what I'm envisioning it to have. and they give 10 checkpoints, as they call, on their platform in free accounts. And once you reach those 10 checkpoints, you have either to convert or to stop. So basically there's no alternative. So once 10 checkpoints are used up, you cannot do anything in the free account anymore. You have to convert into a paying customer. Whereas on a Lovable, you still have the opportunity to use these 5 free credits every single day, and approximately 2 out of 5 will run into the error correction. So basically around 40% will go into error correction, and only in good case scenario only 3 of them will be used, like really used for development of your software, of what you really intend to do there. And just as an example, I have a couple of projects I would love to have done, and one of the projects was working fine as a mock-up without writing any data into the database. And what I did today, I just connected a database to the project and said to the AI, please make the functionality without breaking anything which is already working, and make it a workable prototype. So basically a minimal viable product. It says, yeah, okay, no worries, I shall do that. And yeah, it was working for about half an hour again, and it has used all my 5 free credits per day, and it broke the system completely. So basically I cannot use what was working before, and I cannot do anything because I used my 100 credits in my paying account, and I used my daily 5 credits, and so as I said, today I cannot do anything. And what is even worse, I cannot add additional credits to my account without increasing the monthly paying amount. So basically currently I'm using Teams tariff, and I'm paying 30 euros per month, and there's no opportunity, no possibility to add just 100 more credits to my account. So basically I either have to increase it to the 60 euros per month and 200 credits, or nothing. So either 60 euros or dollars per month and 200 credits, or nothing. You cannot do anything because you cannot just add additional credits to your account. It's simply technically at the current stage. Today is the 14th May of 2025, and at this particular time, as I record this video, it is simply not possible. So, and as I said, using these 5 free credits per day barely brings me any further, because, as I said, in good case scenario, it enables me to use 2 or 3 of them effectively, and the rest of it goes into error fixing, which was caused by artificial intelligence of the system, which shouldn't be the case in my personal opinion. Yeah. So the software creator Asian platforms such as Lovable, such as Replit, and some other platforms are not yet capable of doing anything really useful without pulling money out of your pocket. So basically, yeah, if you throw money into the system and spend it on the prompts, you might get what you want, but it will go into your money. And yeah, be prepared that you would need to pay quite a lot, I would say. Yeah, unfortunately. So from my point of view, they are not yet capable of doing cost effectively what you want it to do, especially if it's some complex projects which involve databases and logins and registration forms and interactive content and God beware connection of artificial intelligence into the project. Yeah, so the level of complexity would just increase, and I'm not sure if those systems as they currently are will be capable of doing what you want them to do. Yeah, so I don't know, it's not very long video per se. However, I guess I just brought my point across. I brought what I was going to say in this video. I will somewhat cut it, I guess, and the result of it you get to see. Okay, my name is Leo. I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a wonderful time wherever you currently are. Bye bye.